Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Lincoln MKX first generation guys, and if your car doesn't crank, doesn't start guys, we'll explain guys which fuse to check for the starter, where it's located and how to replace it. Quick introduction guys, we have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel, like the video guys, and leave a comment below guys if the video was helpful or if you have any questions. So let's start on it now. So you need to guys open the hood of your Lincoln MKX, and right here guys next to the car battery, okay, is your fuse box, and that's the one that we'll be working on. You have one more inside, but that's the one that we need today. Okay, right here guys you have one clip that you need to push back this way, and then you pull it up like that, and you pull the cover up. Now guys, on the back side of the fuse box usually you can see the numbers of the fuses printed, but it doesn't tell you which one it is. And our mission today guys is to show you which fuses guys for the starter. Now the one guys that we're looking at, but before we start, okay, let me explain. Those are the fuses. They're special fuses guys, and you can find where you can buy them from in the description of the video below guys for a good price, because if you go to the parts store they tend to be pretty expensive. So check out guys the link, if you need it, it's there for you, for your convenience. Fuse guys that we need to check for the starter, it's guys fuse number 41. Okay, I'm looking at the cover, fuse number 41 corresponds to this fuse right here, and it should be guys a 30 fuse. Sometimes you don't even have to remove them, you can check if they're burnt or not, but in other cases sometimes it's hard to tell if they're burned guys. So what I would recommend to do, okay, you can grab the fuse and pull it out. Okay, just careful not to damage anything, gently grab it. Sometimes the glass will fall off, so you have to press it in if it's a good fuse. Okay, it came out. Now what I recommend guys, you can use a voltmeter guys, okay, like this one here. This is amazing voltmeter guys, so if you're on the market for a good meter, okay, consider this one guys. We'll have the link in the description of the video below. We're going to select ohm reading, then we're going to select here to test the fuse, okay, to test connection. And if it's a good fuse guys, okay, if it's a good fuse it will show 0 on the screen, and it will guys actually beep at us too. So listen now. Nothing. I'll go ahead, grab the new one quick. Okay, and this is the new fuse, identical guys, and check it out now. Okay, how it shows zeros and it beeps. Okay, I just dropped it. So that's how you can test them and know for sure. If that doesn't fix your problem guys, we'll have a video why Lincoln MKX doesn't crank, so make sure to check it out. And as I said, we'll have more than 200 videos. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.